so what is up sa inyong lahat, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video of mine. And if you're new here to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more contents and videos from my channel. And meron pa akong isang video na ine-edit currently, pero medyo naging busy with the upcoming days. May exam, pumunta sa kasal ngayon. Gusto ko siyang i-edit, pero gusto ko ito munang unahin dahil it is a short video naman. So, why not na unahin ko muna to. I bought this from Boffo. Bili ko siya for only 300 pesos. And meron din silang mga ibang Eaglemoss statues, mini statues from their page. And you can check it out also on their Facebook page. I will link it down below. And bisitahin nyo din yung page nila dahil meron silang mga binibentang mga katulad ng ganyan, mga mini statues, comics, mostly comics, and you can check it out right now. Pero after na to, ng video na to, tumahan tayo sa box, the old logo of DC. Dito natin yung box niya. Parang camouflage something dirt. So, ilalabas na natin siya sa box and sa clamshell. We'll take a closer look on this one. And ayan si Red Hood out from the box. And it is a version of Red Hood from Batman and Robin, which is Dick Grayson is Batman and Damian Wayne is Robin. And it is the following event. After the events of Battle for the Cowl, which is hindi ko alam kung anong story, pero nawala si Batman after the final crisis story. After that, Jason Todd lost against Dick Grayson, and Dick Grayson was Batman, and he made his own persona to battle against Batman, which is Dick Grayson. And he had gone with this costume, which is the first Red Hood, which is the Joker back then on his origin story. And you can see here the red skull from his chest. Ayan. And he has his two guns. Yung story about this version of Red Hood, and gusto kong basahin dahil I want to know more about Jason Todd and Red Hood. So it is one way to know about him and know this kind of story of his. And we will look into his figurine. This generally, we will look at this generally. Ayan, so makita natin yung Red Hood and yung dome like parang glass na mask, and the red skull from his chest, and the two handguns, and the black gloves, and the collar. The collar is connected to the cape. This cape is looking very good. Para talagang effect na may hangin. Ayan. So, all over from his body, you can see the silver clothes of his. Ayan. Ito natin yung super high boots na suot niya dyan. Hanggang sa hita niya, nakaabot yung boots niya. Pero ayan, ito. May kita din natin yung base, which is a Joker card. Ayan o. So basically, he shooted this up because of what the Joker did to him. I don't know what really is the story behind kung bakit niya sinuot to. So kapag nabasa ko na, ayun, malalaman ko din. So, and Red Hood and the Outlaws. Hindi niya naman ito sinusuot sa Red Hood and the Outlaws, pero naka-label dito is Red Hood and the Outlaws, BDF 1498. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan si Red Hood. I don't know what is called, but I will call this suit the Hero Red Hood from the Batman and Robin story. So, maraming salamat sa mga nanood ngayon, and di ko alam kung short video ba to or 10 minutes na naman umabot, pero ayun, thank you very much for all of you na nanood sa akin hanggang ngayon, and pasensya na kung di ako nakapag-upload in weeks, pero ito na siguro, babalik na rin ako, sana tuloy-tuloy na to. Maraming salamat talaga, and you have been a blessing to me for this past year, and sana kung sunod na araw or years or months, nandun pa rin kayo para manood sa akin. So, maraming salamat, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, and mag-ingat kayo palagi. God bless you all, and I will see you in my next video, which is a Funko Pop haul na i-upload ko din siguro in days. Sana ma-upload ko agad para maipakita ko sa inyo. So, see you guys. Thank you very much. I love you all. See you and good day.